Hello, beautiful people. Watch me as I make more bags of kindness. So I've made these bags before and I needed to make them again because of how they was received. And the women who I felt God led me to give them to were so grateful and appreciative. It made me feel so good. I felt so good even putting these together. I, put in the bags what would fit in the bags and what I thought women would like. They could put them in their purse, the chocolates and mints or whatever. And I did what I could. So if you somebody watching and listening and God is pulling and tugging on your heart to do something, step out on faith and do it. Don't think that it's not enough. You are enough, right? And God will cause the increase, right? And my heart goes out to single mothers, go out to women, and however I can, I'm going to do good, right? And just do what I can. And so anyway, I had a bunch of extra soaps and I was told that I should do a live on one of my socials, and I haven't done a giveaway yet this year, and I want to do a giveaway and I want to give these away, so comment if you're interested in that. And like I always say, it's all about loving God more, right? It's going to make you fall in love with yourself so that God can use us to love people better. Heal, forgive, and God bless.